Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will discuss how to record sound on Windows 11 using the default Windows 11 application without using third-party application. So first of all, we go to the Windows icon and type sound recorder, and you can see here it's sound recorder. We click to open this sound recorder. In case if you don't find this application in your Windows, so you need to go to the Microsoft Store and install this application, Windows Sound Recorder. So we back to the application. So in here it's easy to use. You can press here to start recording, or you can use keyboard by press Ctrl plus R. And you can also choose the microphone you use. You can use from a default microphone of your PC or laptop on using the the external microphone, which I use in this case. So it's very simple and easy to use. You just need to press this button to start the recording like this, and you can see now we are starting recording. And you can pause this recording and continue, and to stop you can press again in here stop recording. And now your recording is safe here. You can click on your result, and you can hear the result like this, and you can see now we are starting recording. It's very easy, and I hope this video is useful, and see you in another one.